So what's the first thing that makes you different? The first thing that makes you different are what we call the TESS, T-E-S-S, which stands for the experience story sequence. Ultimately, what it means is your stories. Because here's the thing, nobody else has your story. People may resonate with your story, people may have a similar story, but nobody has your unique story about why you created this business, what motivates and inspires you to keep going, what your area of expertise are. No one has your story. So that automatically differentiates you. The key is that you have to get good at creating that story sequence. The second thing that makes you different than other people is your use case. What does that stand for? Use case stands for unique solution expertise. Unique solution expertise. And that basically means is that you have a method, a system, a process that is uniquely yours that you guide customers and clients through. And that is the use case for why they should choose you. So, for example, in my company, we have a number of use cases that we use to create results for our clients. We have things called the master brand method, the success map, the values-driven framework on leadership. We've got a bunch of different use cases that we use to assure that our clients get results. The question is, do you have a proprietary system, method, or framework that allows you to differentiate yourself? If not, that's something you may want to do. The third thing that makes you different is your offer. The things that you offer for sale is what makes you different. And the key to your offer is what makes it different than the other person that's got it going on. Do you do something extra or special that also implements the use case as part of your offer? So you want to make sure that your offer is distinctive, that it's unique, but it still covers what the clients want. Ultimately, your offer has to provide a solution. It's not about you, it's about them and how your use case ties with how the offer supports what they want.